Hi kids, now please turn to page 1. So look at the practice here. Okay, Amy's teams has 3 jersey colors: yellow, green, and red. And they can wear black or white skirt. And then we need to find all the jersey and skirt combination for the team. So now take a look at step 1. We need to color the first jersey yellow, the second one green. So you color this green. And then the last one is red. Okay, now step 2, color one skirt black. So color it back, and then one skirt white. Okay, now take a look at the tables here. This table shows different combinations. Okay, take a look at the first combination. So the first combination is a yellow jersey with a black skirt. And then the second combination will be a yellow jersey with a white skirt. And then the third combination is a green jersey with black skirt. Okay, so the fourth combination can be a green jersey with a white skirt. Okay, so the fifth combination, so it could be a red jersey with a black skirt, and the final one could be a red jersey with white skirt. Okay, now how many combinations in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 combinations. Actually, we can use multiplication to find the total numbers of combinations. So how many jersey colors in total? Yes, 3 colors. And how about skirt colors? How many? Yes, 2, black and white. By multiplying 3 by 2, we can find the total number of combinations, which is 6. Okay, now we are on page 2, and here we write the multiplication sentence again. So there are 3 jersey colors, so we put 3 on the number sentence. Then there are 2 skirts color, so 3 times 2. Okay, 3 times 2 equals to 6. So there are 6 jersey and skirt combination possible. Okay, now take a look at the next part, Deep Smart. Refer to the last question. If one more skirt colors was added, how would the possible numbers of combination change? We can use the multiplication sentence to find the answer. So now how many jersey colors in total? Yes, it's 3. Then how about skirt color? How many in total? Okay, in the beginning there are 2 colors, black and white, and now one more skirt color was added, so plus 1. Now there are 3 skirt colors, so 3 times 3. Okay, it equals to 9. So there are 9 possible numbers of combinations. Okay, now please turn to page 3. So in this page, we are going to find what are all the possible fruit yogurt combination if you choose one flavor and one fruit to add in. Okay, we can use 3 diagrams to find the answer. Okay, in this 3 diagram, there are 3 columns. The first column is flavors. So there are 3 kinds of flavors: including mango, strawberry, and vanilla. And then the second column is fruit. So there are three kinds of fruit, including banana, berries, peach. Again, banana, berries, peach. Banana, berries, peach. And the third column is the combination that we can form by one flavor and one fruit. So now we take a look here. If we choose mango flavor, so what kind of combination can be formed? Okay, so we choose mango as flavor, and then we choose banana as the fruit. So it can form a mango banana yogurt. Okay, this is the first combination. And then second combination, mango with berries. So mango berries yogurt. And then the third combination, mango with peach. So put mango here, so it forms a mango and peach yogurt. Okay, now if we choose strawberry as the flavor, so what kind of combination can be formed? Okay, the first combination can be strawberry with banana. So it can form the strawberry banana yogurt. Okay, the second combination can be strawberry flavor, and we choose berries as the fruit. So it can form a strawberry berries yogurt. Okay, the third one could be a strawberry with peach. So it can form a strawberry peach yogurt. Okay, next, if we choose vanilla as the flavor, so let's see what kind of combination can be formed. The first combination could be vanilla with banana, so it can form a vanilla banana yogurt. And then the second combination can be vanilla with berries, so it can form a vanilla berries yogurt. And the third combination can be vanilla with peach, so it can form a vanilla peach yogurt. Okay, we have completed the tree diagram. So now we write the number sentence. We need to find the number of possible combination by multiplication. So, do you know how many flavors are there? Yes, three kinds of flavor: mango, strawberry, and vanilla. So write down 3 here. How many kinds of fruit? Yes, 3 kinds of fruit: banana, berries, and peach. So we put 3 here. And then 3 times 3 equals to 9. So there are 9 fruit yogurt combinations. Okay, so we also write down 9 here. Okay, now please turn to page 4. Okay, refer to the last question. If one more flavor was added, how would the possible numbers of combination change? Okay, kids, do you still remember how many kinds of flavor at first? Yes, 3 kinds. And then one more flavor was added, so 3 plus 1 equals to 4. So now there are 4 kinds of flavor. So do you still remember how many kinds of fruit? Yes, 3 kinds of fruit. So 4 times 3 equals to 12. So now there are 12 possible numbers of combinations. Okay, now move on to the next question. Mansion needs to choose 1 lunch menu and 1 drink. Find the number of possible combinations. So take a look at the table here. So here we got the lunch menu and drink menu. So for lunch item, there are 2 lunch items including pancake and hot dog. So how about drinks? Yes, there are 2 kinds of drinks, including coffee and lemon tea. So how many possible combinations in total? Yes, 2 times 2 equals to 4. So there are 4 possible combinations. Okay, now please turn to page 5 and we will do some mental math by doubling and halving. So take a look at the example. We need to find 35 times 22. We can use doubling and halving to find the answer. First, we double 35. That means 35 plus 35. So it equals to 70. And then step 2, we halve 22. So the half of 22 equals to 11. This gives us 70 times 11. So 70 times 11 equals to 770. So 35 times 22 equals to 770. Next, we find 35 times 64. We also use doubling and halving to calculate the answer. So step 1, we double 35. So 35 times 2, that means 35 plus 35 equals to 70. Okay, step 2, we halved 64. So the half of 64 is 32. So step 3, we just need to find 70 times 32. We can first find 7 times 32 by using lattice multiplication that we have learned before. So 32 times 7 equals to 224. And then we just need to put a 0 at the end. So 70 times 32 equals to 2240. So 35 times 64 equals to 2240. Okay, now we move on to the question in Try It. The first question, 15 times 18. So first of all, we double 15. So 15 times 2 equals to 30. And then we halve 18. So the half of 18 is 9. So now we need to find 30 times 9. Okay, so 30 times 9 equals to, because 3 times 9 equals to 27. So 30 times 9 equals to 270. And then 0 times 9 equals to 0. So 270 plus 0 equals to 270. So 30 times 9 equals to 270. Okay, question 2, 46 times 15. First, we have 46. Okay, the half of 46 will be 23. And then we double 15. So the double of 15 is 30. So that means we need to find 23 times 30. So first we calculate 20 times 30. Okay, 20 times 30, that means there are 20 30s. So if 2 times 30 equals to 60, so 20 times 30 will be 10 times of 60, that means 600. So 20 times 30 equals to 600. Okay, remember this number 600, 600, 600. And then we need to add 3 times 30. So 3 times 30 equals to 90. So 600 plus 90, that means 60 tens plus 9 tens equals to 69 tens. 600 plus 90, 690, 690, so the answer is 690. Okay, now we move on to question 3. So question 3, you need to find 124 times 45. So again, first we have 124. So the half of 124 is 62. And then we double 45. So the double of 45 is 90. So we need to find 62 times 90. So 62 times 90, first of all we find 60 times 90. So there are 60 90s. Okay, 60 times 90 equals to 5,400. And then we add 2 times 90. There are two 90s. So it equals to 180. So 5,400 plus 180 equals to 5,580. Okay, now please turn to page 13 and take a look at the problems here. So question 1, Clinton delivers 193 papers each day. And we need to find how many papers will he deliver in 6 days. Okay, so he delivered 193 papers each day. He delivered for 6 days, so times 6. Okay, we use selective multiplication to calculate the answer. So 6 times 1 equals to 6, so 0, 6. And then 6 times 9 equals to 54, so 5, 4. And then 6 times 3 equals to 18, so 1, 8. And then we add the number. So here is 0. And then 5 plus 6 equals to 11. That we need to regroup. And then 1 plus 4 equals to 5. And then this is 8. So the answer is 1,158. So he will deliver 1,158 paper in 6 days. Okay, now we move on to question 2. Sample boxes of soap flakes were given out in 8 cities. So each city, 1,370 boxes were given out. And we need to find how many boxes were given out in all. Okay, in the question, we know that in each city, 1,370 boxes were given out. So we write down 1,370. And then it was given out in 8 cities, so times 8. We use selective multiplication to calculate the answer. 8 times 1 equals 8, so 0, 8. And then 8 times 3 equals 24, so 2, 4. 8 times 7 equals to 56, so 5, 6. And then 8 times 0 equals to 0. Now add the numbers here, 0. And then 2 plus 8 equals 10. And then 5 plus 4 equals 9. 0 plus 6 equals 6. And then the last is 0. So the answer is 10,960. Okay, now move on to the third question. The space shuttle can carry 12,018 pounds of equipment in one trip. So we need to find in 7 trips how many pounds can the space shuttle carry. Remember, we need to find the total number of pounds. The space shuttle can carry 12,080 pounds in one trip. So in 7 trips, that means times 7. So how can we calculate the answer? Again, we use the lattice multiplication. So 1 times 7 equals to 7. And then 2 times 7 equals to 14. And then 0 times 7 equals to 0. 1 times 7 equals to 7. And 8 times 7 equals to 56. Now we add the numbers. So here it's 0. 1 plus 7, 8. 0 plus 4, 4. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 7 is 12. So we group. And then here is 6. So the answer is 8, 4, 1, 2, 6. That means 84,126.